nowhere to move.
Hey guys, it's Shamar. Welcome back to my channel. I had to come in the bathroom because I just put the baby to sleep. I'm sorry if it's loud. I hope it's not. But I broke my little muffler thing in Jamaica. Well, people broke it really. I am about to go out to meet my friends for dinner. It is my friend Jerica's birthday celebration. So I'm leaving tomorrow here with her dad. I just put her down. She's gonna be back up again in like maybe an hour or so before she goes down for the night, because it's only 7:30 right now. But I'm a little nervous. I'm trying to get ready so I can head out the door, because I feel like if she wakes up and starts crying, I'm gonna not go. So I'm just trying to like hurry up. I already did my hair, my makeup, because I had to do a promo for this. I had to do an install for this wig. So my makeup is done. I just have to touch it up, do my lippy. So let's get it together. First, brush your teeth before you go out, because yeah, that's crazy.
Okay, I like your confidence. Oh, that's what good comments. Okay, like Kalani's. Roger like Kalani's. Okay, here at a party.
Also, if you want to be smelling like a fine babe, a good smelling gal, put this and then spray your perfume right after. I have 3 options of what I think I'm gonna wear, and I have not settled. So I'm gonna show y'all really quick without talking, because obviously my baby is sleeping out there, so I can't really be too loud. But I'm gonna show you guys the options, and then we're gonna get changed because I gotta put something on real quick. She is up.
At the next light, turn right.
All I'm thinking about is you. I'm 2 shots in. What am I supposed to do when your body's calling? Loving that type of you. And I tried to play with something so special. Know that I'll be a fool. That's too fat, know just what to do with it. Control it. I'm in the middle of the party, but all I'm thinking about is you. 100 million shawty. The baddest in the room.
Hey guys, so I had to hurry up and get ready. Y'all saw Amora ended up waking up, so I couldn't really talk to y'all much, but your girl got dressed. I am about 5 minutes out from the restaurant right now. Me and Caitlin made a bet that I wouldn't be late, so yeah, I don't want to miss my exit. So I'm gonna talk to y'all more when I get there. See y'all in a little bit.
Same time.
Wow, look at my friend. She is so cute. She's giving fashionista the outfit. My other friend, you're so pretty. I love it.
Thank you.
Can you guys see us? Huh. You look so good. You look like you're on vacation. Do I? Yeah. You're here. My thing is fogging up. I'm so sorry.
Something is in my eye.
This is the fit.
Is everyone here?
I don't know. I haven't gotten.
Special back body is
It's looking good. Stop.
You had a baby?
What? You had hype me up.
You look like you had a baby.
It's them actually hyping me up,
Especially
y'all.
not this year.
Exactly.
It's not an illusion.
Thank you,
Not
girlie.
an illusion.
Look at her.
It's not there. There's no belly.
We made a beach,
Babe, are we still in love? Or maybe we just need reminding. Where we lost it, I know where to find it. By the way, right behind this wall is everything I taught us. It's making me feel nauseous. How can I give all of it away? I know it'll probably hurt me more to stay, but I just don't
And I love Amora. And I miss Amora. I wish Amora was there.
It's watch me. Watch them. Okay, OOTV.
Can they see us?
Yeah. OOTV. And after this, plus tonight. So OOTN. I have to placebo.
Back home. This hair. This hair gets so big. Anyways, you guys, I'm back home, and y'all would not believe, at the end of the night, like after we ate and paid and everything, I got the brilliant idea to call Pico just to check on her. We were texting back and forth, but I'm like, let me just call to check. My baby was screaming. I tried to talk to her, it made her scream even more. It's like she was saying, lady, where are you? Being the person that I am, of course, I'm like, I'm going home. So I'll go back inside because I had stepped outside. I'll go back inside and basically tell my friends, like, all right, y'all, I'm heading out. It was like 11:20. I'm like, all right, y'all, I'm heading out. And they're like, why, is everything okay? I'm like, yeah, you know, she's just crying and not really settling, so I'm just gonna go. Like, I think they were trying to figure out what they were gonna do next. I know I'm not gonna do anything after, so it wasn't a bad time for me to leave. But and I'm saying bye to them, and they're like, oh, and then like I just started crying. So yeah, you guys, I cried because they were making me, like, I was thinking about it, I'm like, dang, she probably was, like, in my head, like, you know that cry, I just hate hearing her scream like that. I mean, people probably could have handled it, but I just, the night was over anyway, so before you get on, like, oh, it's okay, she's gonna cry. It was time for me to go home anyway, but just also hearing her cry, it made me feel really guilty. And they was like, oh, and I was like, and then the tears just came. I'm a crybaby anyways. And like literally tonight, my friends were just like telling me how good I look, and I'm like, stop, because I would literally cry. I don't know. Maybe it's the hormones. Women are hormones. There's still a lot of hormones in me. I don't know. But yeah, you guys. So luckily, like, the restaurant wasn't far from the house, so I made it back. As soon as I'm on my way, about to get on the highway, people text me like, oh, she's asleep. Of course she is. But like I said, it was the end of the night anyway, so it's fine. I'm about to get in the shower and call it a night. But it was so nice being around all my friends. I haven't hung out with them in a while, like a while. So it was nice. The food was so good. We went to Kakuni. Y'all know I went there with Caitlin there for her birthday. Me and Pico has also been to that restaurant, so it's nice. It's like a Jamaican Caribbean infused. They have a lot of Jamaican food, and it's actually really good food. And we did like a family style serving tonight. There was so much food, and I even was able to bring food home. So yeah, it was a good night. It is Labor Day weekend, so we're probably gonna try to do something this weekend. So I'm just take you guys along. Tomorrow is Sunday, probably just like a cleaning day, grocery shop, and then Monday on Labor Day we probably do something. So yeah, until then, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, you guys. So it is Sunday morning. Woke up and I made some porridge, and I actually made Amora some porridge. So my girl is about to be 5 months, so she can start on purees, like fruits and vegetables and stuff. But you know I'm Jamaican, so porridge for the baby in the morning because yeah. So she had some over in Jamaica a little bit and she seemed to like it. Now my mom told me to make hers with her formula instead of like all the other stuff. So I literally just boiled. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I mixed it with her formula instead of milk. So we're gonna see if she likes this. And yeah, I also made some for myself. So I have it in this little bowl, her little bowl and her little spoon. I cannot. My baby also has a band-aid on her head because she scratched herself. Also her little bib. Come here, mama. Bring her close. My baby. Ooh.
You can't eat that.
No. You're hungry, huh?
Mama.
Open. Hey, mama.
She's eating porridge, Mama.
She's eating porridge. Nice, Shamar.
Good morning.
You got a band-aid on your head. You got a band-aid on your head. Good morning. Hey, sunshine. That's a big old bill. What's that? Just learn how to keep it out now. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Mm-hmm. Did you tell your mom how you kept us up last night? Huh? Did you tell her? Did you tell her?
And as soon as I got on the way to come home, she
went to sleep. After she saw that video, she was gone down. So I had to see my mommy. That's good. You're gonna be a fat girl.
Let me say, excuse you.
Good morning. You're a fat pig. You got porridge all over your face.
No.
That's plastic.
Yeah. So you can wash it.
Cool. You like that, huh? Is that good? Ooh, that's good.
So far, she also liked the avocado.
Yeah, that's what people are saying.
I don't think she's a fan of the bananas.
No.
Well, right now.
Next time your mama leave, that's what you're gonna get, porridge.
Yes.
Yeah, fun?
Yeah, it was nice. Hey, you guys. So it's later on in the day. I've just been working today. I started cooking and doing laundry. But we are heading out right now to go to a food festival with Pico's mom and Amora and Pico. She was just crying. Look at the knot on her head. She banged it against her crib. I hate seeing my baby hurt, but we took the band-aid off. Anyways, she's wearing this outfit. Let me show you guys Amora's outfit. So Amora is wearing this champion set with some pink socks and a nice cute headband. Yeah. So she got to get a wear out of this because it's about to not be able to fit her. I thought it was big. And let me give you guys a quick OOTD from me, from mommy. So I just threw something together because Pico's mom just came home and we literally got ready in like 15 minutes. So I had this shirt with these shorts from Pretty Little Thing. The shirt is from Shein. Shorts is from Pretty Little Thing with my sambas. And then I just put my hair up. Again, I'm loving this hair. I love it. Should I sell this unit? Let me know below. I was gonna sell my units because I wrote off wigs, but like the lust. Go check out my video that I just posted to get all the details. But we're about to head out. Come here, pretty. We are heading out, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Right?
And I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the star, so still. Even though I found you 3 hands out of mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no chill, no more. Your time, ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it 1,000,000 times. Whoa. Linking up, we went and turned together. I always keep you going. Yeah. Oh yeah. And you dressed up for me.
Yeah. Made it back home, and your girl is about to have some ice cream. So I told y'all, I'm trying to find the lighting. I told y'all we were supposed to be going to some like food festival type of thing. That took a turn. We went, and it was just not what we expected. So we left. And we just went out to eat with people's mom. Hold on. Yeah. So we left there and we went out to eat with people's mom, which was pretty nice. We tried this Haitian restaurant and had dinner there. It was also raining a lot today, so it's very gloomy, so it's like we didn't do anything else. We also stopped and went and got some ice cream after from this Jamaican place. So good. I'm eating great nut. Baby Amor is sleeping, so I came home, you know, did nighttime routine because my girl is pretty much on the schedule. She goes down. She's probably gonna wake up again, you know, but she's on the schedule. So I came home after her, did our nighttime routine, and she knocked right out. So me and people are about to go watch a movie together while I eat my ice cream. I'm not overdoing the ice cream because your girl is trying to, you know, get back on track. I'm just having a little bit. Just a small little bit, you know. But yeah, man, today was a good day. Tomorrow is Labor Day, and I want to try to go to the beach, but we'll see if it rains again. Hopefully you don't, because the rain is just killing vibes. Also, I just posted my Jamaica video today. I want to say thank you for all the condolences. Thank you for all the compliments on Amora. I worked so hard on that vlog. It was over 5 hours of footage. 5 hours. And I really tried to just put the clips together and actually edit. And I was doing it on a more schedule. while working. So yeah. So I appreciate if you haven't seen that video to go watch it. Leave a comment and leave a like. Please. Make me feel like my hard work wasn't in vain. Thank you. Thank you. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night.
I got a carrot and I got blueberry.
Hey, one or two. Good morning. Let's see. You like carrot? You like carrot cake? Good morning, you guys. Getting ready for the gym again. I just filled up my cup, eating a muffin, and taking some water in. Creatine? Creatine? Creatine?
Creatine.
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 Creatine looks like this.
Not bad, right? Yeah, it is alright.
Put it down just before we go. Just put Amora to sleep upstairs with her granny, so we could work out without having a baby.
Actually, go on.
And then she's gonna go hard, right?
It's not bad. It just tastes like you're drinking the residue of the juice on the bottom. I don't really like that.
Tell the vlog.
Oh, this is Nick's bookie.
This is my girlfriend.
Pico is in here about to go stupid. D homie, say what's up. They haven't seen you in a minute. I'm back in the gym. Trying to be consistent this time around. About to be 5 months postpartum. This is the body. Not too high. Let's see if I can keep up today. Because all of them, mine is doing, but still, they're all like gym rats. So, we'll see.
What's up, gang? We got the whole gang in here today. We about to get this work.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't trained on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, now that was scream. Yeah, hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Rosewood truck. Oh, you want roll it out.
So we are going to head to the beach. So first stop, Publix. Because you can't go to the beach.
Ever since I caught you all that ice, I know she no more.
Somebody's ready for the beach. I don't know what she's doing.
We at the beach. In case y'all ain't know. More about to eat her first Mike and I. That was funny. That was funny. Yeah, Uncle Niggas are
is, Mom and Pop. Let's give an update to everybody. How's being a father and how's being a mother? Let's go. Let's start with the father.
You know, life's been great, man. We got the family going. Mom coming back in the gym. I know what it is, man. We excited. We ready for the next one.
Mommy, what's been the?
We ready for the next one. Hey, you see the first one taken care of by the uncles and aunties. We ready for the next one. You heard?
Baby girl, the cutest thing on the beat. Mommy, we need an update, Mommy. What happened? Update the mom.
I love it here. Me and my girl taking over the world.
Taking over the world.
That's it. That's all.
When we gonna start getting more content? Let's get an update. Let's get an update.
I'm better.
What do you got in store for your fans?
Drop it down below what y'all want. Anything I see coming next week.
Oh shit! Hey! You heard it here first. That's crazy.
Okay. As you can see, we're at the beach right now. Beautiful day. You know, it's been a beautiful day. You know, you got baby girl getting taken care of. You got Nick out here. Nick's being an uncle.
What's up?
Say out here being a good auntie. By the way, guys, this is the rich uncle and the rich auntie. You know, everybody. That's Amor's rich uncle and auntie right there. Okay, that's right. Y'all hungry for real?
Gotta get them calories in, bro. My girl trying to get a biggest, the world's fattest. We gonna get it too. We ain't gonna buy it.
You gonna buy it? You gonna earn it?
I gotta buy it.
We might have to buy a little bit, but we ain't gonna buy it all.
There you go.